Hey everyone, welcome back to Unbox Unveil, your go-to channel for the latest tech unboxings and reviews. Today we have an exciting 2.1 channel speaker setup. It's called the Noble Skiodo model VR3697 with 28 watt power output. Let's unbox it, check out its features and see how it performs. So let's get started. Opening up the box, and here we get a user manual and a warranty card. Then we get a remote control. Now the two main satellite speaker unit. A 3.5 mm aux cable for wired connectivity, two AAA battery for the remote, and then subwoofer. The Noble Skiodo speaker has a compact and stylish design, perfect for desktop and laptops. The main unit has a LED display, control buttons, and multiple connectivity options. The satellite speaker have a sleek look and should provide a surround sound experience.
Things are right, the odds don't lie, we're always in for.
So if you are looking for a budget-friendly 2.1 speaker system with average sound quality and multiple connectivity options, the Noble Skiodo VR3697-MT is definitely worth considering. So what do you think about this speaker? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more awesome tech content. See you in the next video.